What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Q50, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day, hopefully the day. I'm going to go look at some cars today with the intent to actually buy something. I'm going to take the Ultima and see what we can get for it and go ahead and see what's out there. There is one car that I want to see first, the one I want the most. So hopefully that'll be the only one we go to today, but depending on how it goes, my second choice is my second choice, and the third choice is my third choice. So going in order. So the furthest one away is the one I want the most. So that's where we're going. And on the way back, or there's another one. So just in case that doesn't work out, it could work out in my favor because I'm already that way. So we'll go ahead and jump into it, hit the road. And definitely shout out to the homies who I've been talking with about my choices. I know we've been back and forth between BMW, Infiniti, and even through a Lexus here and there. So definitely appreciate you all. But yeah, hopefully this journey is about to be over here. All right, made it here. Port Charlotte. Actually a Kia dealership. But we're not here to look at a Kia. Got the Infiniti. This is a 2018 Q50 Red Sport. The next car I was gonna go look at is Q60 Red Sport. Alright, so far everything's looking good. Check to see what the value will be for the Ultima. Very clean in here. It's a 2018, but it got 30,000 miles on it. It's definitely pretty clean. Yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. I am definitely a big fan of this. It feels smaller than the Ultima, but it felt good driving it. I have a GoPro I was supposed to hook up, but I never got the head strap and never really messed with it, so sorry I didn't record this, but I'll be doing some POV videos here pretty soon. It's funny because it's a little familiar mixed with a bunch of new, so but I'll definitely be getting a screen from homies. Gotta get one branded by him too. Get one of the square wheel auto branded units here. Sorry about that. Thought somebody was calling me. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on how the deal goes. So yeah, definitely a good deal. I already have a bunch of ideas of what I will do, but I'll be throwing my wheels from the Ultima on here to hold me over till I order something new. Thinking 3 or 2-piece wheels. Got them priced out, and I know that has a. Hold on. All right. Well, actually leaving in the Ultima. I'm not going with it. Numbers were a little funny. Went up from the price on the stickers by $12,000. So yeah, we're not gonna go with that. But I mean, it's definitely a dope car, but I mean, for all that money, I wouldn't want to pay for a 2018. Mileage was good, but yeah, on to the next one. Alright, so I had 2 free checks for Carfax, and I just used the second one on the car I was going to go see next. But the issue is the car was used as a commercial vehicle, so looks like it may have been a rental for a while, and I definitely don't want any parts of a Q50 Red Sport that was a rental, because I know people will dog that thing out. So I definitely don't want to deal with that. So I think I'm gonna skip that one. The other one, I don't know how much I want to see that one. I might chill out on the Red Sports because the price to value comparison for them, I don't know if I really want to go that route. I may just call it a day and not go and look at anything else for today. It is getting a bit late, and I'm pretty much over for today, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll just pick up probably tomorrow. I mean, I got another 3 days off, so, or another 2 days off, I should say. So I'll just do that. I'll pick it up tomorrow. I'll do some research when I get home, but I won't go out until tomorrow sometime.
The next day.
All right, so we are going on day 2 here. So I'm gonna go to this Nissan dealership that actually has a Q50 Sport. I'm gonna check them out, see how much they offer for the Altima. And based off of this, there's also another one that's at a Subaru dealership. But depending on how it goes here, will determine if I'm gonna go there or if I'm just gonna sell the car to like Carvana or something. So let's go ahead and head that way. Okay. All right, so this is day 2. Like I said, looking at another one. Don't like the bracket. Okay. Looks pretty good.
Still hasn't had the body shop work come in yet.
Okay.
We didn't take it in that long ago.
Mm-hmm.
So there's this little spot here, but we got a guy. It's on the bill. Just hasn't been taken care of yet.
Gotcha. Okay. Let's see. Looks pretty clean. Let's take a look on the inside. Okay. With 13,000 miles. I definitely do not like front bracket on there. So I'm definitely on that one and that one. Okay, sorry. Yeah, curb rash on all the wheels. I think only one is decent. Then we have that damage and that scrape and another mark there. It has 13,000 miles on it. 2019. The price online, I believe it was showing 33. Looks like they're adding the Wesley Chapel Nissan Advantage 3,000 markup, so that's why it went up to 36. But I'm gonna see what they're talking about numbers wise. I don't think this is gonna be the one. Mostly with that damage. It's really not looking good there. There is one that's at a Subaru dealership, but I want to see what they're talking about for the trade for my Altima. And also, they did say that they are going to repair that damage. They just got it in, so that's why it's not repaired yet. But I think the post itself was up the day that I actually applied, which was yesterday. So we will see. I feel like they should have held off on posting it, but it is what it is. They said that if I really wanted the car bad, I could take the car with me, and then they'll do a IOU and then have it come back, drop the car off. But this is an hour away, so I don't think I would take it without having that fixed. So, but we'll see what they talking numbers wise. But I'm thinking it might not be the move. All right, so yeah, this one definitely caught my eye when I came in. It's in customer parking. It still has the stickers in the dash, so I'm not sure if it's really customer or not, but it's definitely clean. And it's cool how they have the SR on the grill now. That's kind of cool. And the wheels look pretty good too. And this is a new color. Looks like it does have some damage on the front fender as well. Got the Aria here. Yeah, I think this is my first time seeing it in person. I've seen it online so much that it's kind of blending together, but it looks good too. Alright, so I decided to come to the source. So, the car with the damage, they wanted $2,000 more than the Red Sport. So, yeah, as you can see, we're not there anymore. Yeah, definitely, it's taking a little more than I was thinking it was going to get something, but I'm gonna check out them here at Infinity, and we'll go from there. It's funny, one of the homies was telling me, oh, why don't you just go with a base model or a Lux or something if you're gonna be modding it. And then somebody else was saying that'll be better content. I don't know. I hate that bumper, so that will definitely go right away. Don't like the wheels, of course. That's gonna be swapped out, but I gotta see how it feels and all of that. I'm not sold on it. The inside, I prefer this interior to the last, definitely, but we will see. I might check to see if they got any Q60s here while I'm here as well, but this was the only white Q50 that they had that wasn't new, so I'm not gonna make any rash decisions, but we will see. Alright, so they're taking the car now and they're about to do the appraisal for my car. But I mean, so far everything is sounding pretty good. We'll see what they talk about with the appraisal, but yeah, he's about to do the test drive and bringing around all that good stuff. But yeah, so I think content wise this would still work pretty good. I definitely got to get this bumper swapped out because I hate this bumper. I've always hated this. Well, most of the time I've hated this bumper, but I definitely do not like it. The wheels, I mean, they're stock wheels, so I'm not even gonna let that slide for a little bit. I'm probably gonna be just throwing the Ultima wheels on here, not the ones I had on the Ultima. I'll probably be throwing those on right away. I don't know. Depends on how it's gonna look, because I hate the stock look with wheels too. So we'll see. But the bumper is definitely gonna go. I already priced out a few things and it's looking pretty good. But the big thing is, if I do go that route and I get the sport bumper, do I just straight up wrap it or do I wait? I think I'm gonna wait. I'll probably have to paint it first and then wait, because I would like to get the carbon fiber fenders and the duckbill trunk, and I'm not about to drop all of that like right away, and I do not want to rock this bumper for that long. So I think I'm just gonna paint the bumper and put the sport one in, and then kind of slowly do the other things over time. Definitely let me know what you guys think. Most likely by the time this video goes up, I will have made my decision, but still, I'd like to know what you guys think about everything. But I do like that it has the black interior. I do like that it is a 2021 and it only has 18,000 miles on it. And it comes with a certified pre-owned warranty. So a lot of pluses there. And the price, I believe, is starting 10 to 12,000 cheaper than the other ones before they threw an additional $12,000 to $14,000 on top of what they were offering online. So far, checking all the right boxes. The guy who I've been working with, he's actually the same person that I dealt with when I came to do the test drive the last time. So that's dope. And he recognized me before I recognized him, which was cool. Oh, and this is not something I didn't recognize or realize. This is the all-wheel drive model, which is something I wanted, so that works out too. Everything I've test drove so far was a rear wheel drive, so let's see what we're talking about. Alright, well, as you can see, I ended up getting it. So this is the base model. I decided to go with 18,000 miles, 2021. It's pretty clean. Certified pre-owned, and I'm already gonna order this front bumper replacement, so definitely doing that. So far I'm loving it. It feels great. I already got a few things I'm about to order in mind, so I am ready for that. But yeah, it's been a long couple days. Today's been a long day too, even though I didn't think it was gonna be, but here we go. Got the new car, so the Ultimate is gone. But yeah, I ain't gonna extend this video much longer. I'll be going over a full overview of the car probably in the next video, so stay tuned for that. But before we end it, the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.